If you're not vacuuming your sofa and your mattress, you're missing out. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I mean because I have the newest and best from Jigu. And I wasn't expecting this, but it sucks. Seriously, but in a good way. And why this matters is because I already tried Jigoo's T300, more budget option, put it up against the most popular brand on Amazon, and it did fantastic head to head. It has some crazy smart features that this one has. This one is more powerful. This one has additional features. It's really good. Check it out. Okay, so this is a smart sensor vacuum with fragrances. More on that in a minute, but this is a 700 watt, 15 kPa with heating, UVs, and ultrasonic properties. There's essentially no learning curve with this, but you'll get a detailed instruction manual. It's got a 14-foot power cable, nice and long. Weighs about 5 pounds in total. It's got a really beautiful construction. Does not feel cheap whatsoever. Access to the cyclone cup pre-filter on both sides. Comes with a backup filter in case you need to wash one of them. The dust cup in the front has a clear design. Not all of them do, and it's great for being able to see what you're picking up, every single dust particle. Air vents on both sides of the unit. You get access to your brush roller on the bottom. It's like a nice aluminum, fantastic quality there. You've got 3 powerful UV lights at the bottom, which will show in action, and a pretty large smart display that separates this one from other ones on the market. And front and center is where you add your fragrances. Comes with 2 pods that last for up to 50 hours, adjustable intensity. Now let's test it out on different surfaces and show off some of these crazy features. So again, this weighs 5 pounds. It has a great handle, which makes it really easy to maneuver. I love the weight of it, so you don't have to push down on it. There's almost no energy involved in moving this around. And as you can see, it's picking up dust mites instantly. As soon as you turn it on, tons of power. This has the dust mite index, so that number you see changing on the screen is sensing how many dust particles there are in a certain area. That way you know exactly how clean you're getting your surfaces. And this feature works really well. Now there's 2 speeds. It's currently on the high mode where it will run at max intensity. Switch it over to auto, and based on the dust mite index, the intensity will adjust up or down. Both modes work great, but keep in mind that on the max speed, it runs at about 72 decibels. Not a deal breaker for me, and to be expected with a more powerful unit. But I like to keep expectations realistic. Now, as I said, clear dust cup makes it really easy to see exactly how much you're picking up. This is also expelling heat for heat sanitation. It's got UVs that will stop if you lift the unit so it doesn't harm you. And based on how much was being picked up, I spent about 10 minutes cleaning this time around. And this isn't even close to the most impressive part, so I'll do a quicker version on my couch. Oh my gosh, check it out. Now keep in mind that I have other mattress cleaners and I've been using them. This is how much we picked up in the dust cup. The pre-filter only really had one little strand of hair. But if this is how much I can pick up after not having cleaned it for 2 weeks, imagine what yours might look like. And if you thought that was impressive, this sofa sits upstairs in our loft, gets almost no use. We just do laundry on it. I thought it deserved a good cleaning too, since I haven't done this one for a while. Dust mite index started pretty high up, pretty much around 99% all the way throughout. And when I got to the end, I figure, why not try out the aroma pods? We don't typically like to use fragrances, but I had to know what it was about. Just slip the pod into the little capsule, insert it back into your vacuum. You have 3 different intensities, and I put it on the medium one. And immediately I could smell it in the air. I could definitely smell it on the surface of my sofa, but it isn't necessarily overwhelming, and the smell does mostly disappear, leaving just a nice refreshed scent. Okay, so couches, sofas, I highly recommend vacuuming those. This is our downstairs sectional. It gets the most use, and I have 3 kids and a dog. So expect to see the biggest return here. I only spent about 5 minutes in total vacuuming this one, and it's nice to know that it's got the UVs. You can definitely feel the heat ever so slightly in your hand and left over on the cushions after you finish a pass. And I think the extra power has definitely made a difference in today's experience. So needless to say, pretty crazy experience. I kind of nerd out on these vacuums, and this one has it all. It's got the smart features. The dust mite index is so nice to have to see exactly how much you're cleaning. You can put extra emphasis on certain areas, until that index goes down. It seriously works. Not all of them work. They're a little gimmicky. This one 100% works. The power's great. Go for the corded ones. You might be tempted to do a battery one, but I have that one. I have an automatic one that I use on our beds. It doesn't quite pick up enough. It just doesn't quite have enough power. The corded ones are not, they're not annoying like regular vacuums are, where you have to consistently make sure you don't trip over the cord. It's worth the extra power. And overall, this has the best mix of power and smart features. Got a really great first impression out of it yesterday. Had to share it with you immediately. I'm tempted to see what else is out there, but for now, this is my reigning champion, the JIGOO T600, and it's completely worth it. Check it out.